Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'll be sharing with you how I made ungo with unripe plantain peels. Here is my already dried plantain peels, and I'll go on and light it to burn to ashes. This is me trying to light the plantain peels. I tried using other methods, but they did not work as fast as I wanted until I used my gas. What I did was to put them bit by bit on the flame. I allowed them to catch and I transferred them to the sheet I am using to burn the plantain peels. It would have taken me like forever if I hadn't used this method. I think another easier way to let your plantain peel catch fire is to look for an existing fire. Throw them in, allow them to catch fire, and quickly transfer them to another thing. If you listen very well, I said allow them to catch fire. Do not allow them to burn to ashes in the existing fire, because the ash will mix with firewood or whatever they use in making the existing fire, of which you do not want that. And please, in all you do not use kerosene to light it, because you will end up poisoning your food. Here is the ash. You can save it like this, or you can take a step further to transform it to a liquid. And for the sake of this video, I'll be turning mine to liquid. So I'll add the quantity of water that I think will be okay for the plantain peel powder. Stir the mixture well and set aside to settle. The longer you leave it to settle, the clearer the water will be. So I will advise you to leave it to settle for a very long time in order to have a clear water. Carefully sieve the mixture to separate the water from the ash. That is it. This is my potash replacement in a container, looking so fine and beautiful. Let's see how you will use this to make your ungo. So for the ungo, you will be needing just red oil and this liquid. I'm adding 2 spoons of red oil in a plate. And I will go in with the liquid and stir very well. Can you see that it has changed color? Our ungo is formed. Guys, this is our ungo. You can use this for nkwobi, oba, or abacha, aka African salad. Thank you so much for watching, and please do not forget to subscribe for more amazing videos. Bye.